You're going to learn how you can set up this vehicle for travel in Unreal Engine 5.1.1, and also I give you this project file link in my description link so you can visit this URL. So you find something like this website. Okay, this is from the Azure, Microsoft Azure. So you can basically visit my this project file, and once you visit like this, you can need to go to repos, and once you go to repos, you can basically able to download my project file. You can just press these three buttons and you can press simply download the zip, so you can able to download my this vehicle project. So there's already Unreal Engine file and all the file has been set up. So now let's get started. Also I give you this link in my description, so don't need to worry, or you can check my comment section. Okay, so first I already create and set up the basics a level. Okay, so there's a it's looking quite enough, looking good. Okay, now what I need to do is basically we need to set up this stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete their whatever this setup. So I'm going to remove that, even their the whatever it is, the blueprint, the animation blueprint. So I'm going to delete that, and I will be leave this. And the levels I'm also going to delete because I don't need the levels, and only I leave this stuff. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to go to our sport vehicle, and at our sport vehicle we need to go to mesh. At here will be changes to our this skeleton. Then in the front one, let's change the camera position and let's do some adjustment, so it will be look great. Okay, I guess now it will be look great. Okay, so compile, save, and now if I give it a look, so you'll be find something like this. It's flying on the there. Okay, also for changing camera, I guess there's a code for changing camera. I'm not sure which one it is, so I'm just change that to C keyboard, and then whenever I press C keyboard, it should be do this. Let's see which one it's do. Yeah, it's quite enough, looking great, but I guess we need to do some more stuff. So we can choose this. Let's make it on more right. Compile, save, play. See, yep, now it's quite enough, looking great more. Okay, now okay, we already set up the vehicle camera. Okay, and now let's set up basically the vehicle so we can drive. So we need to double click and open that, and we need to go to skeleton. At this skeleton we found basically this tire. So let's see why is the tire. There's basically the wheel. Okay, this is for the left one, so we need to copy that and set up at here. In the vehicles wheels, we need to go to wheel setup and we need to split that, and we need to just paste this like this. You need to do with every wheel. So let's do that. I'm now doing for the left one, copy, and at here just simply paste, and we have now the back. Now we have Discord channel, so you can join there, and also you have any type of question or if you want to send me any log, you can just go there and join, and you can send me. Also we have Telegram channel, so you can join there too. You can follow us in our Facebook page or visit my profile, and you can download my game from Google Play Store. If you have any personal project or you want to just send me personally something, so you can send me Gmail on my Gmail ID, also in LinkedIn. You can get my paid course from Udemy, link in the description below. Also you get my plugins, assets and other stuff in my Epic Marketplace account, link in the description below. Paste, and if I click on now play, I'm able to basically drive, but some of cases we need to also set up the physics because the physics is not perfect. So for fixing this physics, we need to go to physics, and here's basically the physics. By default they set up like this. So there's some locked event, so we can delete them all, and you can just go to settings and show all bones. You find something like that. So we'll be set up first the root, and then we need to set up for the wheel. So just select first, let's generate for wheel. So this is our basically all the wheels, and let's set it to the a single convex hull, and then you can set it to 30 even, there's no issue, and simply click on generate. So you'll be find something like this, and then will be for our root or even for the body you can generate one. So the most good is if you generate for the root. At here will be use that box collision. Okay, I guess Oh, sorry, let's give it a restart. I did some mistake. Okay, let's open our vehicle. That is basically this stuff. Oh, we need to redo that. So this is basically, there is, you know, there's some bodies. So what I'm seeing, that is perfect for this one. I'm not sure why. FL, it's all is okay, looking like everything is okay, but not sure why. So let's remove these wheels and let's go to all bones and let's select them. Let's generate and let's try to give a play. Let's see what happened. So simply click on play. Yep, it's quite enough good. So we need to do some more stuff with now. Okay, the first what we need to do is basically we need to set up the animation. So just at here animation sector, we need to go to animation blueprint. We need to choose the skeleton, and at here you find vehicle animation instance, and let's give it that G anime and double click and open. And from that we need to search wheel class, WHEEL wheel, and we need to complexity off. So we'll find wheel controller, and from that we need to search that mesh, that is the mesh space, and then we need to set up that to our vehicle class, that is the Jeep animation or anime. Compile save, let's click on play. And yeah, I guess there's only one will have issue, or maybe I wrongly set up that. So copy that again, go to spot. Oh yeah, compile save. Now you have a question that why it's doing like this, why it's going on down, because for the physics, because if you check the physics for this one, so we need to make it to middle, so it will be fixed that issue. That yeah, it's still doing because that is a heavy on the back side. So for fixing that, we can at the event we can do some like this. I guess it should be fixed. Yeah, just suppose that you have a Jeep and you are just applying it. So if you don't want, you can make that to bigger, and you can make it like this. It should be work. Okay, let's make our this physics, or even we can delete that physics. Hopefully it should be work. Okay, it's doing great. So let's make it some forward. Yeah, it's good right now. Okay, so also for fixing this, there's a will we see that a blurry type effect. So for fixing that, what you can do is you can go to edit, project settings, and you can search that motion, or you can search that BLUR, and you can disable that motion blur, and it will be, the issue will be fixed, that looking bad. Okay, so as you can see, we are now we already set up the vehicle, so we can drive that. So I guess that is enough for today. In next tutorial will be create, oh, there's a material changing issue. So because it's happening on the backlight, they changed the materials of instance, so we need to just disable that because this is for light. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is working great. And also for this one, you can see that, oh wow, my god, wow, that is totally looking great. Okay, because this is Jeep. So I guess that is enough for today. We'll be see you in next tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in next tutorial video. Now we have Discord channel, so you can join there, and also you have any type of question, or if you want to send me any log, you can just go there and join, and you can send me. Also we have Telegram channel, so you can join there too. You can follow us in our Facebook page or visit my profile, and you can download my game from Google Play Store. If you have any personal project or you want to just send me personally something, so you can send me Gmail on my Gmail ID, also in link, and you can get my paid course from Udemy, link in the description below. Also, you get my plugins, assets and other stuff in my Epic Marketplace account, link in the description below.